Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube. Today we're going to talk about the fact that certain Milwaukee 18-volt grease guns are shipping with hoses that are incompatible with any coupler on the market in the US. What's happening is that certain batches of these Milwaukee guns are coming out of the factory with metric 10x1 threads on the end of the hose. Now, there hasn't been a statement from Milwaukee clarifying which batches are affected or anything of that nature, so unfortunately, the only way to know if you have one of these guns is if you go to switch out your coupler and you're using the LockNLube or you're using any other coupler, they're all going to be that 1/8" pipe thread, and if they don't fit, you ended up with one of these guns with a metric 10x1 thread. We've called Milwaukee to try to get an answer and haven't gotten one. If you know anything about it, please leave a comment on this video. And in the meantime, we've put together an adapter here, brass adapter. The female end is 10x1, the male end is 1/8" pipe thread. So here we've got a metric hose. You take your metric hose, snug that on, put your coupler on the other end. Obviously, if you're going to be using this, you'd snug it down. This is just for demonstration. But there you go. Little adapter, increases the length a little bit, but for just a few bucks, you can then convert your existing metric hose to work with any coupler on the market in the US and not have to buy a whole new hose. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out LockNLube.com.